Hi, Craig T. here again with another warehouse review of our Douglas Nance Poolside deck chair. And this chair is pretty unique. Not only does it recline to 3 positions so you can really adjust and get the comfort that you want, but it is of course made with the grade A premium teak. It's all plantation grown, so we reforest the trees that are felled to make all of our furniture. Anyway, so you get the great teak, but in addition, this chair is made out of a braided propylene rope that has, I think, 3 different colors threaded into the weave. And I'll show you a close-up of the rope. Great, very, very comfortable seat because the rope gives a little bit on the seat and the back, which is really nice. The width of it is 23 inches and the depth of the seat is about 19 inches, and it has 3 different heights. As you change the recline, the front goes down a little bit. You see how that lowers, so you can get really comfortable in this thing. And you can see that it has all of the rails and all of the support. All of the hardware is really good stainless steel. So the entire chair is made to be outside. Don't worry about it getting wet, or it's easy enough to fold up, like I say, to carry with you and hit the beach. So enjoy our poolside deck chair, and like all of the Douglas Nance furniture, if there's ever any kind of a problem or concern with it, you can always get in touch with us at douglasnance.com.